guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys something that I just put up in my Etsy shop. The first thing I want to go over are my Bill Do stickers. So I was trying to find the other ones here. Here they are. Okay, so my old Bill Do stickers, I shouldn't say old, but the ones that I do have on my Etsy shop right now look like this. This is the bright Bill Do stickers, and you can see it only comes with the one square, so it comes with 10 of these. What I decided to do is, I'll find the bright ones here, is I decided to just up it a little bit, so now you're getting 20, 2 of each color of the Bill Do stickers. This is on a premium matte paper. The colors are super vibrant. You have a spot to write the bill, the amount, and then a little check mark for when you've paid it. I have these available in the bright. I also have them available in the watercolor pattern, which I absolutely love. And then lastly, in the pastel. So again, instead of getting just the 10 that I was doing, you're now getting double that. You're getting 20 of them. So that is the first thing I wanted to go over. And these are something that I already had in there, just something that I did a little tweaking with to give you guys more with one listing. So if you want to check these out, I will post the link to my Etsy shop in the description below. The next thing I have here, I'm really excited about. So let me just show you guys. So as most of you know that have watched my previous videos, for my cash stuffing envelopes videos, I have been using these stickers, which I made. So this one is kind of hard to read, so I changed the pattern, but it says cash envelopes week 3. It has the different category of labels. I switched it up with the next 2 weeks just to make it a little more stand out. Obviously these are really specific to me because these are my credit cards, my loans, my car, my expenses, and my sinking funds. And then again here. However, and I did have quite a few people when I posted those videos ask if I would be willing to make them as they were interested in them. But obviously I wanted to make them not so customized to myself when I listed them in my Etsy shop. So this is the kit I came up with. It's a 2-page kit. Another thing that it has, this top section here is for your budget. So this is what mine looks like. So it just says April budget, and then this is your income section. It comes with 3 washi strips, or small washi strips. Here's for your income, budgeted, actual, and then plus or minus. This section here is your expenses. So expenses, budgeted, actual, plus or minus. And the bottom washi here is sinking funds. So sinking funds, budgeted, actual, and then plus or minus. So this new budget kit is going to come with the stickers and the washies to make this page here, as well as the stickers and the washies to make this. But obviously in the pattern that I've chose for April. So you are going to have the April budget and then the 3 washies for that. And then I want to zoom in on this part. So for the cash envelopes, you're going to have week 1, and then you'll have week 2, week 3, and week 4. They all come with the big washi, the smaller washi, and then I know that everybody has expenses. I assume everybody has debts. I would hope everybody has sinking funds. And then I also did 3 blank headers for you to write something in. And then again, here's week 2. And on the second page you have week 3 and week 4. So each of these blocks is a week. I also included just a couple extra large washies here and a couple extra of the skinny washies here, just so you could have them if you needed them. So that is the kit itself, and I'm just going to go in here quick and lay them out so you can see kind of how I do it. Of course, you guys can do it however you want to. That is completely up to you. But so we'll start with the budget. So which is going to be the first page. So we're just going to take, and these come off super easy, so we're just going to take the first one here. Alright, so then your first one, the large washi, is just going to go, I have to bring this a little closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. It's going to go right across the top here. So you have your April budget, and then the first one that you're going to have is your income washi. So your income washi is just going to go right under that large header at the top. And then you can write in your income, however many you have, that's up to you. So then the next one down, which would be the expenses, that one you can obviously start at whatever line you need to. So if you need 3 lines for your income, then you would just skip the 3 lines. So that is completely up to you and how many incomes you want to list. So next we have the expenses. So say you just have 1 income and then you're also going to write your total. So I'm just going to start at the next one down here. Oh my goodness, that is not even at all. The good thing about this paper that I have is it is removable. So there's your expenses. And then the last one that I list is my sinking funds, which I like to list separately from my expenses. And so we'll just say that we have that many expenses and our sinking funds are going to start down here. So there we go. That is what it looks like. So you have your large header and then your 3 littler washies. So that is for your April budget. Now the next thing I want to show you guys is the cash envelope stickers. So we're just going to start, we'll just do this one with week 1. Alright, so again, this one, just like your budget large header, is just going to go right across the top here. And again, thankful for removable sticker paper. Good enough. So there it is. So cash envelopes week 1. And then I like to put just a small solid washi right under that header. So I just grabbed that one right there, the one right underneath the large header, or the large washi. We'll lay that down. So we got that, and then now I'm going to start with expenses. You can obviously start with whatever sticker you want, or you don't even have to use the expenses one. We'll just say we're starting with expenses. So then, let me show you. So like I said, I then would write out my expenses and then total them up, and then my next category, say, would be my debts. Here we go. And then the last one here would be sinking funds. So perfect, and that is what that one looks like. And then, like I said, you're getting 2 pages for the kit, extra washies and extra headers, so you can write in any categories that you may need. but that is what it looks like. So I am going to post the link to my Etsy shop in the description below. And like I said, if you're seeing this video, they already posted up on there. I also have laminated cash envelopes in my Etsy shop, as well as some other budget stickers and some script month headers. So go check out my Etsy shop. If you guys have any questions or any ideas or anything like that of stickers that you may think that I should design and make, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'll take a look at those. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and then click that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!